Hello friends, welcome to my new video. In this video, I'll show you how to find saved password on your Android phone. First, go on your phone setting. Now click on Google and click the second option autofill. Click on the first option auto with Google. Now click on third option personal information. Now scroll left and click on security. And click on your email, which email password you want to find. Now scroll up and click on manage password. Now again scroll up and click on here. Now you can see your password. So thanks for watching my video.